Oh, how about we do Casino Royale?
Okay.
But instead, it's called Casino Boyale, and it's about Susan Boyle. Oh, we could do, instead of Jaws, claws.
Like a cat claws.
I was thinking Santa, but... Oh! Instead of Die Hard, Live Soft. Just lie in a bed for the duration of the film.
Oh, Harv, do you have any ideas? Do you know what we should do?
I think you should stop making these videos. Then I can go back to my job.
Well, that was uncalled for.
Do you hear that sound?
Yeah, what is it?
I don't know.
Kind of sounds like a helicopter. Or something. Oh!
Foley. Well, filmmakers, welcome to the 30th video Kat and I have done for this web series.
30.
With the help of our dear friends Harvey and Elle.
What a ride.
What a year.
I don't know how we've dragged it out this long.
Yeah, so anyways, this week we decided to go back to our Foley sound effect videos.
Yeah, so this week we're going to look at action. Pew, 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 pew. And look at some key sound effects that you might need in, say, like a key action scene, like a car chase, or like a gunfight.
Or like a helicopter ride.
What?
Okay, so we're in the woods. The fire is crackling, but the sound isn't as good when we're in the editing room. So
You
what do
don't
we
want to
do?
burn the boom.
Yeah,
So,
we get
bubble wrap,
and
a crisp packet.
you can use it for snacking, but also Foley effect sounds.
Let's try it.
Seems like a good crackle. So what happens next? We're in the dark,
Eating our fireside snacks.
and then there's a sound. What kind of a sound?
A gun cock.
You can use
Any stationary objects.
to create the sound.
Staplers.
What happens next? Somebody takes a bullet for the other person.
Oh, it's me. I'll do it. I volunteer as tribute.
Thank you. And I, being the amazing friend that I am, take the bullet out of your body. What would that sound like? So, unfortunately, in this scenario, we run out of objects because Kat dies, and then her best friend dies because of heartache.
It's a great film.
It is.
Come and watch it.
At the festival.
Yeah.
Please.
Trailer below.
It's gonna be amazing. Just hidden Catherine crouching Dušan.
And if you can think of your own action sound effects, like maybe kind of a car screeching,
Helicopter
a
whirring.
helicopter, let us know because we ran out of ideas. So
No, we
shoot them
didn't.
at us. See you at 31. Oh, we could do, instead of taken, found. Or given back.